we are very close to the final mounting. I am a bit stressed about this, and there is only one more thing to do on the machine till I really can mount the main bearings. After I can mount the main bearings. So for example, we had some small oil lines made here, just like a standard oiling system, but we have here going into our block our main oil supply that will spread to the central, will go first, and then to these two secondary main oiling places. So our shells should take the oil from here and spread it on the width of these two holes here. So what I have to do, so keep the camera good, is to widen that oiling place to get both holes with oil. I hope you understood. So I have to make this wider so the whole oil can go into this main bearing. That will feed later the two rods here. I already did it here. I am very happy. I succeeded it on my own lathe with the help of Stefan's tooling. You see, this is going nice straight to the hole. This is what I have to do also on the other two main bearings. Widen the oiling place after we mount them together. This is finally turning as I hoped in the end. A big yes. Thank you, God. Yes, I'm very satisfied with this. It is now very tightened, not to torque, but it is spinning very, very good. Very, very good. Yes, sir.